Even though panzanella is a bread-based salad and it doesn't have any salad greens like you would normally think of in a salad, it still has a dressing. It has a vinaigrette, and what that does is it provides both flavor and moisture to this really delicious salad. It really brings something special to it. So let's make the vinaigrette really fast. We've got our little vinaigrette mixing device here, also known as a mason jar, or a plastic container will work. And we're going to add our olive oil. Boop. We're going to add our balsamic vinegar. I like using balsamic vinegar because it's got kind of a sweet flavor. You can use whatever kind of vinegar you like. I've got half a shallot here. And because this dressing has a shallot in it, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this dressing sit after we make it to mellow out the shallots and the raw garlic that we're about to add. And if you're really sensitive to garlic, you can actually leave the garlic out. Or you can add a little less, or if you really love garlic, you can add a little more. But the salt that we're gonna add along with the acid is gonna cook the garlic and the shallots just a little bit so they're not quite so intense. Smells good. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Boop. Here we go. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna give this guy a good shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty, whatever. Okay, let's give it a taste. Drip, drip. Now remember, because this is a vinaigrette, it's gonna separate. So as soon as you let it sit there for a few minutes, you're gonna end up with a layer of oil and a layer of fat. That's just, or a layer of oil and a layer of vinegar. That's just the way it is. Like oil and water don't mix. There's no way around that. So if you want to let it, we have to let it sit for 20 minutes to kind of like deal with the shallot and the garlic, and it's going to separate. And then you just shake it up a couple times while it's sitting there, and you shake it up right before you use it. So let's taste this and see if it has enough salt. That's good. Oh, that's really good. That balsamic vinegar is really good. And add a little bit more salt, probably another 1/4 teaspoon or so. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more balsamic vinegar. There's still a little bit left in this cup. In we go. I feel like it needs just a touch more acid. And actually, I can't really taste the garlic in it, which is interesting. So I'm gonna add another 1/4 clove of garlic. Boink. Alrighty, we're gonna give it another shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. And let's give it another taste. Wipe off my spoon. Give it a little taste. That's good. It still needs salt. I think it's because the balsamic vinegar, this particular balsamic vinegar is very sweet. And it's just like sucking up all the salt flavor. So even though I'm adding extra salt, like I can't really taste the salt. All I taste is garlic and sweet vinegar. Is that closed all the way? Make sure your mason jar or plastic container is closed all the way, because if it's a little askew and you shake it, you will end up with vinaigrette everywhere. It does not come out of your clothes. That's why I'm wearing this. Give it another shake. Shaky, shaky, shake. And let's give it one more taste. I don't really want to add much more salt because I just don't want to eat that much salt, even though I love salt. Let's see. That's good. That is a really good dressing. Ooh, vinegar. That vinegar is really potent. So our vinaigrette is done, and now we're gonna go check on our bread.